Growing from 0 subscribers is a lot easier than you might think. I grew from 0 to 1,370 and got monetized in 2 months on my other YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be teaching you how to grow from 0 to 100, and these tips really work and they help me a lot. So, if they work for you, then I recommend liking and subscribing, because we make videos about how to make more money on YouTube and how to get monetized. When you first look at this YouTube channel, what do you think it's about? If you're saying basketball, then that's good, because that's my other YouTube channel that I post basketball videos on. By showing what videos you make, you can establish to your viewers what type of videos you make, and you can target certain audiences. So, for say, you post basketball videos one day, and then the other day you post gaming videos. It's not going to work. So, that's not going to work for you. Do not do it. It's going to ruin your channel. I could probably be at 10,000 subscribers by now, and I'm just telling you, this channel is good, but I could be better if I posted one content niche. So that's what you want to do first. You want to establish your niche. You want to make sure your viewers know exactly what they're watching, and you want to make sure from the beginning that the viewers are ready for what they're going to watch, and they've clicked on what they wanted to watch, and not just watching something because they're subscribed. You want the viewers to like your videos. For this second tip, we're going to be diving even deeper to why you should make your videos stay longer and what you can do to make your video extra entertaining. First off, we're going to say this. To make your videos more entertaining, you want to have a lot of information or entertainment or whatever type of value you're trying to get. It can either be entertainment value or educational value. For this channel that I'm recording on right now is definitely going to be educational value. Let me ask you a question once again. How long are your videos? Are they 10 minutes long? Are they 5 minutes long? Or are they 20 minutes long? However long they are, I want you to times that amount by 3. So if your video is 15 minutes long, then it's a 45-minute video. So what I mean by that is however long your videos are, I want you to times how long you record on it for 3 times. So I want you to record 3 times as long as the video is. You're going to be saying, well, then that's just going to completely ruin my channel and it's going to be too long. Nobody's going to watch it. But what you're going to want to do is you'll want to edit it out so that it's 3 times as low. And pretty much you're getting more information, more packed in, better. And then it's going to give you a lot better audience retention. You want to always be telling people that, oh, there's something else, something else, something else. You want to always be informing them. Or if you're entertainment, you want to always be giving them the next funny or, exciting thing. For this channel, I definitely did do that. I was able to grow a gaming and basketball. Okay, for this next part, so how you gain 100 subscribers is what you're going to want to do. Is you're going to want to go to YouTube Studio, how many subscribers you get from each video, and the subscribers you get from each video. If those videos are doing well, it tells you, and you got to keep posting. The algorithm will like your videos. So, for instance, on my current basketball YouTube channel, well, this was a Fortnite video because it was 3 years ago or so. So I made a video, right? It was 2,000 views on it. So I see that, and I'm like, wow, that's actually really doing pretty good. So then, a while later, I post another montage very, very similar to this one, and it does almost very good, but not quite as well, but still very good. And then after this one, I realized that that's doing good, and I keep making those montages and stuff, see thousands of views. And if I go to my YouTube channel right now, and I look at the most popular, regular length videos, okay, most popular videos, Fortnite, 2,000. Montage, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So, there's a lot of videos that are montages that got a lot of thousand. So, if YouTube likes the videos and they're recommending the videos I've already made, you just want to keep doing what's done. You don't want to change it, because most YouTubers are always trying to chase the new shiny topic, the new thing. But the thing is you just want to keep using the same things that have already been working for you. You don't change what already works. That's what I did. You guys need to do also. I want you guys to learn that. So that's the third step. Today we're just talking about regular length videos, not live streaming shorts. But live streaming shorts work. We were just talking about just regular length videos today. But what you want to do is you want to target your audience, guys. You want to target your audience, and you want to post regularly and make a good schedule for your viewers. I recommend posting at least 3 videos a week to get started. And you want to post videos that are always similar, because when your new subscribers show up and they watch one of your videos, and then you make a video that's way different, it doesn't make any sense. Like if you make a video about books, and then a couple of weeks later, you make a video of you vlogging and going to Hawaii, then it's not going to interest the other viewer that subscribed for watching about the book videos instead of going to Hawaii. So then you're going to not get as many viewers because they're going to stop watching your video, and that tells YouTube that, man, this channel, the recent subscribers aren't even watching the video. How do I know if I want to recommend them to even more people whenever the own subscribers aren't even watching that video? That's why you want to make all these similar content and look at the best videos that are getting the most subscribers and keep making similar videos. That's why you want to do that. If you guys really like the video, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.